Hi, my name is Kaz. I am the creator of Little Moonseed. And if you can't tell by now, this is my, I would say first, but you know, I just gave this a go a little while ago. So 1.5 time I have talked on camera. And it's really freaky and I apologize. But actually I don't apologize for my quirks. I'm gonna be weird and I'm sorry about that. I'm apologizing again. God, I can't stop apologizing. Okay. Hi, my name is Kaz. I'm the creator of Little Moonseed, the channel upon which you are watching right now. I am trying to get to my art goals, my dreams, and one of the ways I need to do that for myself, for my growth, is through this YouTube channel. Putting my face out there and talking on camera is not something that comes naturally to me, so yeah, I'm just going to see this as an experiment because life is an experiment. You know, we try things, sometimes we jag it and it works and it's amazing, and sometimes it completely is up and it all falls in a heap, and then we have to pick ourselves up and try something different. And so that's what I have decided that this is going to all be about. So I am creating a little experiment and you're coming along for the ride. Whee! I'm going to do that again. Ready? Whee! Love chairs. So what I'm making at the moment is my website, and I am almost finished, which is so exciting. And I love that for me, and hopefully for you if you look at it. I'm sorry, I keep looking out the window because I'm watching my dog all the time, digging holes, eating bugs and snails, which actually I ate a snail this morning. That was really weird. So doing this is pretty hard because I'm so many different parts of myself. It doesn't make any sense. There's so many different parts to me, like a giant bushka doll kind of stuffed in, trying to make everything work in my head. I have to smush it and combine it like a sciencey thing. And I like that now about me. I think it's really important for us to see the uniqueness. I think it's really important for us to see all of us. So this is me. I can't turn it off. I can't turn it off. So what I'm going to show you is a mural that I've been working on, and I finished that. So I'm going to show you that, and then at the end of the video I'm going to give you a little sneaky peeky at the website I've been creating. So yeah, thank you. So in my last video I showed you the beginning of this mural. I created this with the vision of the amazing staff here at St Bart's here in Western Australia. They have a few centres in Perth that have been created for transitional accommodation for families and singles at risk of homelessness or who are homeless. This place is one of these for families and children. They also have centres to support mental health. It was incredibly rewarding, sometimes challenging. I mean, it rained and it poured, and on the days when it wasn't doing that, it was hot, so I had to spray everything down. And I mean, you forget when you're outside, that's the challenges that these mural artists have all the time, but this is my first one, so I've never, known how to do that before. Also, I temporarily forgot that I'm an introvert, so that was definitely an interesting process for the mind as well as the body. So you can see that I'm hiding under a very tiny tarp, At that point, you know, I'm pretty happy. And then the rain poured down and it got quite depressing. So then the beautiful staff made me a cocoon so that I would be able to paint in peace. When you remember what you're doing things for in the first place, this is to bring joy to people that might have not seen it for a little while, and it's wonderful that these places exist, and we definitely need more support for them. And anyone can be in situations like this, no matter how hard you try. Whoever you are in life, you're always gonna need help at some point in your life. So much love and gratitude for anyone going through anything right now. Life can certainly be very discombobulating. I just want to take this moment to thank St. Bart's and all the amazing staff that work there. You guys are incredible, and you definitely make the world a much more amazing place. So as I promised, here is a little sneaky peeky of the website I've been creating. I'm pretty excited to show it to you guys, and I hope you love it. This is Obi patiently waiting for me to finish so that she can have more cuddles. And this is it. So it's pretty cool. I love it. In the background are my zombie sausages, because why not? And that's the sneak peek. So hope you guys had a great time, and I will see you next time. Until then, have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. Bye. Hello. I am trying to get my first goal of getting 1,000 subscribers, and that is really hard because I am a freaking chicken. Obi's been eating peanut paste. I think it's stuck in your mouth, Bob.